Hi guys, welcome back to my corner. So today we are unboxing my Fabfitfun Winter 2021 box. Look how pretty this box is. The packaging is on point, both inside and out. Here's the magazine, as always, looking nice and pretty. First item that I got is the PMD Smart Facial Cleanser. This device uses sonic glow technology to not only ensure a deep cleanse but lift, firm, and tone problem areas. If you want to know more about the product, watch my PMD Smart Cleanser review. Next item that I got is the Surla Table 4-piece silicone utensil set. Each durable, high-quality tool features a comfortable beechwood handle and a flexible, food-grade silicone head that won't scratch non-stick pans or other delicate surfaces. I was so excited to get this one, the Recovery Sampler Assortment box by Vadam. The teas are made with powerful herbal ingredients known to reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, help manage stress better, alleviate anxiety, reduce fatigue, and flush your body with a healthy dose of rich antioxidants. The Ankle Weights by Corral is a pair of 1 pound ankle weights that can be used or worn on ankles or wrists to intensify your workout routine. The Briogeo Scalp Revival is great for those with dry, irritated, and flaky scalp. The charcoal draws out impurities, and the tea tree has an antiseptic and healing properties that reduce scalp irritation and inflammation. The last item in your Fabfitfun box is usually a bundle, which are made of 2, 3, or 1 item. I usually prefer 2 items. I do love my bundles. These slippers are made of Cozy Sherpa slippers by Isaac Mizrahi. Gotta love that cheetah print. And my daughter already swiped them from me. The foot file by Corral is made with premium stainless steel, which can exfoliate feet to remove calluses, dry skin, and rough patches. And now for the add-ons. I got this super cozy scarf with a zebra print, and it's so festive, perfect for Christmas time. Of course, I had to stock up on my Spongel bath sponge, and I got some holiday flavors as well. So that's going to be like a stocking stuffer or gift idea. Speaking of gift ideas, I have an exciting collaboration with 9 other girls coming up tomorrow. Be on the lookout for that video. It's going to be a good one. And back to my add-ons, I did get Kate Somerville cleanser. I've never tried it before, so I'm excited for that. Also got the Kingsley Flaky Scalp Spray. I can't wait to try that. And lastly, I got another set of the Lily and Pulitzer set of 2 mugs. So that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!